Here's a really quick creamy sauce for your neck steak, or in my case, a little bit of veal. I've just made a burnt butter or beurre noisette, which is allowing the butter to melt, foam up, and you want to take it to the point where all the milk solids start to become golden in colour. Now to give this sauce some richness, I'll add some tomato paste along with some Dijon mustard. So big and bold flavours for this. And then I'll mix that together. And then now we can add the whiskey. Now I love the whiskey flavour because it's going to give it a slight oaky, almost smoky flavour, which really goes nicely with meat. So in that goes. And then we'll just cook off the alcohol. Once this starts to subside, we'll add some stock just to thin it out. And then another flavour that goes really nicely with whiskey is thyme. So a few little sprigs of fresh thyme in the sauce. And now to really round off the sauce, we need some cream. I'm using cooking cream. It's fantastic for sauces like this, particularly if you use some alcohol in the sauce, because it won't curdle and it'll thicken up quite quickly. So in with the cream, I want about 100 millilitres. And then with a spatula, stir it in and you'll watch it thicken up quite nicely. This smells fantastic. You can see it's not curdling, it's bubbling away and it's thickening up nicely. That is ready to go. I'm going to have a taste of it for seasoning. Oh, that is so delicious. I love the creaminess of it, and then you can taste the whiskey and that tomato paste. Absolutely beautiful. Now we'll just serve that over our veal and sautéed potatoes with a few little asparagus. A wonderful sauce. It tastes like you've been cooking it for hours, but in actual fact that took 2 minutes, and it's smooth and creamy, of course, because of that cooking cream.